Hi, welcome to A2ZKnowledge.com. So today we are going to discuss about what is data consistency. So before you choose any database products, like okay, you are a developer and a client is asking you suggest me some databases for storing the data, and it can be RDBMS or any NoSQL database. So whenever you suggest some product, so your client may ask you a lot of question. One such question that you can get from your client is this particular database is good at data consistency or not? So this will be the question. So whether the product you have chosen has a very good data consistency or not. So what is data consistency? So if you choose any database product for the application to read and write, it would be a distributed storage system. Nowadays we are using distributed storage systems only, right? And that means your data will be get stored in multiple nodes, right? So that is distributed, right? So it will be some cluster type like master slave or peer-to-peer cluster. So there is an application. Okay, so this is a website or a mobile app. I can tell you there is an application in which you are seeing the cricket scores. Okay, now imagine there is a room, and in this room, three peoples, and they are connected to a same Wi-Fi. Okay, and each of them have their own device, and via this device they log into an application, some application, but they are same. They all these three people are logged into an same application in which they are watching the scores, cricket scores. Now here there is a score happens. The score is 1. So now this 1 as a score as a data will be get first inserted into the database, right? Now I'm inserting the data, but I'm in any distributed cluster you go, the data will be get inserted in as a multiple copies, because if one particular node goes down, you can get the data from the remaining machines. And that is called data replication. So I have a video for what is data replication, and in the description box I have shared the data playlist link. If you click it, you will see the data replication video. Just have a look on it and then come to this video. If you are aware of what is data replication, please continue watching. So generally, so imagine here my replica is 3. Okay, I am configured as 3. So the data will be get stored as 3 copies. Now there is a score happens as 4. Now that means there is an update happens for all these, right? So here 1 plus 4, it will be 5, and here again 5, and here again 5. So updated. So data is got updated. Now user is trying to read the information, means you are refreshing the app or you are getting a live update, so people will get the score as 5. Now this is called very good consistent data. Now I have not yet started saying what is consistency, but I'm just saying this is good consistency. Now imagine, now coming to the point of what is consistency. Now there is one more score comes as 1. So again, it has to be get updated. Imagine, so here plus 1. So this is 6, 6. But here 5 plus 1, 6. So that is, so this is called updates, right? So here in this third node, the update is in process, or the update has not yet started. Okay, now the users are trying to refresh the page, and your request can go to any of the node to get the data. So these two people are getting 6 as the updated information from the app, but this particular person is still seeing 5 even after he refreshed the website multiple times. That means, unfortunately, this third person request goes to this node in which the update has not yet happened. That means here the consistency is gone. So all the users are not getting the same information from the application, and the consistency is going down. The reason why the consistency is going down is because of replication. You have so many copies of data, and the database will take time to do the updates on all the 3 copies. And unfortunately, your request has been went to the database while the time of update or before the update gets starts, and unfortunately you are getting the old data. But this particular guy, within some 20 seconds, again he is refreshing a data, but now he is getting 6 here updated. But the consistency is, there is a gap in the consistency, right? So these two user has already got the 6, but this guy is taking like 20 to 30 more seconds extra, and then only he is able to see the 6, and there is a consistency is gone. Now here the question is how the consistency went down is because of the replications you have in the database, right? Okay, so how to handle these kind of consistency outages? So how to handle consistency is something I will give you in the next video, because see, consistency is important and also the replication is also very much important. And that means whenever there is a replication, you come to say the consistency will go down. If that is if it is if I say yes, then no one can use a database, right? Then none of the database will have consistency, because all the database you see mostly it has replica. Then that means no consistency. It's not like that. Even though when there is a replication, you can still handle the consistency. I will explain you that in the next video. So stay touch with us, and I will be uploading the next video shortly. So thanks for watching a2zknowledge.com. The agenda is to explain you what is consistency and how to handle this in the next video. We provide a lot of tech videos in English and Tamil, and I have given my LinkedIn URL and then Instagram URL in the description box. If you want to contact me, you can contact me. So thanks for watching a2zknowledge.com.